Alright guys, here we're back here at the Clemente outlet. We were just here like last week, so we're gonna go see what they have in store. I know they have the 20% off the entire purchase coupon going on this weekend. Alright guys, we're waited about 15 minutes, so it looks like about another 5 minutes. Came here like around 30 minutes after opening, so this was expected, especially on a weekend. They still have the flights here, the size 13, still retail price there. And they have the China Moon. No, not China Moon. These LeBrons, retail price there. Alright guys, this is the big footers, mostly a lot of cleats. We have these 200s. Air Max 290s. Retail price though. And the Flyknit. And they have these Flyknit Odyssey React 2 AS. Very good price, 20%. So it's like 32 bucks. Alright guys, just a quick look, we're gonna go down. These are the 11s. Just checking. Really not a lot of heat in the bigger sizes, so we're gonna go with the smaller. I ordered the size 10s. Yeah, the why not? Now 9.5s. You do have the LeBron. The smaller size 9.5s. 160. Not too bad. Slides. Air Max slides, guys. That's a little air. $49.99. Else. You still have these PG USAs from last week. The Vapor Max, and what is this one? A sample size. It looks like a. I'm not entirely sure what this one is. There's some 720s. We're at the 8.5s, 8s. Now, I'm just gonna check the aisles, you guys. Have these Air Max in particle gray. $139 plus the 20%, and a couple more Air Maxes. They have this colorway for the BB4s. Quick look at their slides, some JDIs. Quick look at, we're gonna do a quick look at the kids. Ash Wall, SP Sykes, Air 95s, Nike Prestos, a lot of soccer cleats, the GR Phantom Venom. You do see a foam sight, really small, in this colorway. You do have a couple of shattered backboard ones. Retail price minus 20. Alright guys, go down to the smaller size in kids. Nothing else. Have the Air Max 95. Have a nice day. We have these Speed Turfs. Pretty good price. Quick look at the kids section. They do have clearance items. More whatever the pricing is. Oh, they have these ones. The Nike Sketch. I've been looking for like the adult version of this. We do have some accessories or hats for sale. We have these Stranger Things. Going for $9.97. We have the black and the blue. Yep. We have more clearance items on the other side. Some JDI slides and backpacks. Jordan branded backpacks. From $85 to $49.99. We have more sale for the boys. Additional 30% off on like compressed shorts. And they have sweaters from $65 to $44.99. I'm gonna check the clearance items. Last time I had luck, like a couple months ago, I was able to find like a Kobe swingman jersey here. Let me just check the bigger sizes, you guys. Some dry fit tees. I know some are looking for like basketball stuff. So. They have some football, Rams, Raiders, polo shirts. Guys, they still have these, the Air Force One, more than an athlete, kid sizes, $44.99 plus 20% off. Alright guys, we're gonna head downstairs to the women's section. I just want to see what the hash wall we have. People. So they have these Air Max 97 in women's. Looks like a 49er colorway. It has like some sequins, stuff like that. And they have like they still have those 98s here in this one. Quick look at the women's hash wall. Just trying to see, what is this one? So it's a Cortez, okay. And they have these 98s. 98 premium in the smaller sizes. Let's head into the other bigger sizes. They have a lot of the different variations of 98s. You can see. And another one, like with the maroon. 99. Out of. And this one in the green. It's like a fluorescent. Yeah. Nice. Epic Odysseys. Going into the bigger sizes now. Let's see. Let's see if anything stands out. And this is the bigger size. So they have a lot of the downshifts. Okay. Alright guys, thank you again for joining here at another Nike outlet vlog in San Clemente. So this is the week that they had the 20% off, additional 20%, and if you're a member, Nike Member Plus, you can take another 20% off. There wasn't much this week since I was here last week, but there are deals to be had if you're looking for a great pair of shoes. Okay, you guys, if you guys like this type of content, please comment, like, share down below. Until the next video, you guys,